Here's a 2019 BMW X3. Whether your instincts lead you to unpaved roads or just down the to-do list, this X3 delivers on what you need. It comes with the features you need and, better yet, want. External memory control, power heated mirrors, dual zone climate control, auto dimming rearview mirror, auto dimming mirrors, front heated sports seats, automatic transmission, active grille shutters, gas pressurized shocks, and turbo inline 4-cylinder engine. Edmunds.com highlights its excellent handling, pleasing power delivery, high-quality cabin, accommodating rear seat, abundant cargo space for its size. BMW, the ultimate driving machine. See it for yourself when you take it for a test drive.
Nick Alexander BMW is your premier Los Angeles BMW dealer. We're conveniently located at 6333 South Alameda Street in the Huntington Park neighborhood of Los Angeles.